An electric highway is a highway system which provides electric power to vehicles traveling on it by means of overhead power lines above the road and the ground level power supply through conductive rails or inductive coils embedded in the road. Korea was the first country to lay a public electric road with the commercial bus line in 2013. Sweden has launched an electric road in Sandviken to conduct tests with electric power for hybrid heavy transport on public roads. It aims to be energy efficient and to be fossil fuel vehicle fleet by 2030. The visions of these highways is not far in future for India. Union Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari has shared his dream of constructing an electric highway from Delhi to Jaipur in an interview. A 200-kilometer long Delhi Jaipur highway will be rolling out of Delhi Mumbai Expressway, where 20% of roads will be electrified. Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation has proposed a system of rainwater harvesting on median of expressway. Buses and trucks will be powered by electricity just like electric railway engines. Gadkari said the present government's emphasis is to promote biofuel and electric cars to prevent pollution as well as to bring a cheaper mode of transportation. The electric highways has various advantages. One, being cost effective in comparison to diesel petrol vehicles. A study shows that an electric highway will reduce the logistic cost by 70%. It's going to be completely eco-friendly. It will help in reducing the carbon footprints, as electricity will be used, which will be less harmful to environment in comparison to diesel and petrol. Like every coin has two sides, electric highways themselves face many challenges, including the complication in the development of infrastructure resulting in high cost. It's time-consuming task. In present times, the number of diesel petrol vehicles in India are huge, so replacing them with electric vehicles is going to be a very challenging task. Creating batteries for these vehicles is another complication in this field. Overall, it's going to be a big step towards our fight against pollution.